Introducing the all-new DJI RS 5, where advanced intelligence redefines professional stabilization. Meet the RS Enhanced Intelligent Tracking Module. A single touch lets the gimbal handle the framing, so you can stay focused on your creativity. With the 5th generation RS stabilization algorithm and a 50% increase in peak motor torque, every movement is exceptionally fluid. It confidently carries mainstream camera and lens combinations weighing up to 3 kilograms. The Z-axis indicator offers real-time feedback to guide you in adjusting your pacing for even steadier shots. Ready to roll? The 2nd generation automated access locks take you from sleep mode to shooting instantly. Select any subject by tapping or framing it, and let intelligent tracking bring your vision to life. Take control with the new electronic briefcase handle, offering intuitive controls and flexible angles. Balancing is faster than ever, with all-access fine-tuning knobs and a Teflon coating. And when you need to go vertical for social content, switch in seconds. No accessories required. With 65-watt fast charging, get a full charge in just 1 hour and enjoy 15% longer standby time, now up to 14 hours. Bluetooth shutter compatibility now includes Panasonic and Fujifilm cameras, keeping more setups in sync. Expand your toolkit with full support for DJI SDR transmission and the Focus Pro motor, unlocking professional workflows. This is DJI RS 5. Craft the extraordinary. Lead the scene.